Next type of integration is integration e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e raised to x f of x plus c. For example, integration e raised to x log x plus 1 by x dx होगा, तो ये f of x है तो ये f dash of x है, क्योंकि log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x है, तो आपका आंसर होगा e raised to x log x plus c. It's a very easy type of integration. Exercise 5.5 का question number 5. Integration e raised to x 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. अब पहले तो देख के हमको पता चलता है कि 1 by x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस 1 by x स्क्वायर आता है. If f of x is 1 by x, then derivative, that is f dash of x, will be d dx of x raised to minus 1, क्योंकि 1 by x का डेरिवेटिव, ये सॉरी 1 by x का मतलब x raised to minus 1 है. अब इसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 1 into x raised to minus 2, that is minus 1 upon x square. तो ये f of x है तो उसका डेरिवेटिव है minus 1 by x square, तो ये आ जाएगा इंटीग्रेशन e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e raised to x f of x plus c. So हमारा आंसर होगा integration e raised to x 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. It will be e raised to x 1 by x plus c. So how to do this? E raised to x log x plus 1 upon x dx. We can write it as e raised to x log x upon x plus 1 by x dx. तो ये x कैंसिल होगा. इंटीग्रेशन e raised to x log x plus 1 by x dx. तो ये f of x है, ये f dash of x है, तो इंटीग्रेशन e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e raised to x f of x plus c. तो आपका आंसर होगा log x plus 1 by x dx is equals to e raised to x log x plus c. This is the answer. ये तो ऐसे ही एक एक्स्ट्रा सम था. 5.5 का सम करेंगे हम लोग. Next one. 5.5 question number 6. Integration e raised to x upon x plus 1 bracket cube, sorry, bracket square dx. This is integration e raised to x. अब इसको हमें f of x plus f dash of x में लाना पड़ेगा, ये directly नहीं आएगा. तो we will say x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square dx. Integration e raised to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square dx. तो ये और ये कैंसल हो गया. It is integration e raised to x 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square dx. Now see, this is f of x, then this is f dash of x. क्योंकि 1 upon x plus 1 का डेरिवेटिव minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square होता है. So this will be integration e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x plus c. So this will be integration e raised to x 1 upon x plus 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square dx is equals to e raised to x 1 upon x plus 1 plus c. See, here we have to bring it in that form. Okay, तो हम लोगों ने बस यहाँ पे +1 -1 किया, तो x plus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square and minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square. Different. Question 7 is integration e raised to x. Sorry, there is no bracket. It is x minus 1 upon x plus 1 bracket cube dx. So now what to do? Here we can take +1 minus 1 again because we want x plus 1 and इकडे x plus 1 nahi hai. So we have again taken +1 minus 1. So it will become e raised to x plus 1 minus 2 upon x plus 1 cube dx. We can write it as e raised to x plus 1 upon x plus 1 cube minus 2 upon x plus 1 cube dx. Integration e raised to x. Now this is 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square minus 2 upon x plus 1 bracket cube dx. Now this, if this is f dash of f of x, this is the derivative. हम लोग अगर चेक करके देखें तो 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square is x plus 1 raised to minus 2 and derivative is minus 2 x plus 1 raised to minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 2 x plus 1 raised to minus, sorry, this here it will become plus 3. So this is the derivative. This will be x plus 1 raised to minus 3. The minus 2 upon x plus 1 raised to 3. If this is the function, this is its derivative. So it is integration e dash of x f of x plus f dash of x dx. So that is e raised to x f of x plus c. So this will be e raised to x 1 upon x plus 1 bracket square plus c. Integration e raised to x, question number 8. Log x bracket square plus 2 log x upon x dx. तो log x का डेरिवेटिव, log x ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? log x ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव आएगा 2 log x into d dx of log x, that will be 1 by x. So if this is f of x, this is f dash of x, इसका डेरिवेटिव. So we will, it's so direct actually, लेकिन लिखते वक्त हम लोग इसे ऐसे लिखेंगे that if f dash of x is log x bracket square, then f dash of x is d dx of log x bracket square into d dx of log x, that is 2 log x 1 by x. So it is 2 log x upon x. So e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e raised to x f of x plus c. तो इस केस में इंटीग्रेशन e raised to x log x bracket square plus 2 log x upon x dx is equals to e raised to x log x bracket square plus c. This is your answer for integration. Now question number 9. Integration 1 upon log x minus 1 upon log x bracket square dx. अब यहाँ पे बात ये है कि e raised to x तो है ही नहीं, तो हम लोग कैसे लगाएंगे इस फॉर्मूला को? तो we will say put log x is equals to t. Now anytime we put log x to the base e is equals to t. Using the law of logarithm, if a raised to x is b, then x is log b to the base a. So here x is equals to e raised to t. Now if we take derivative, x का derivative तो 1 आ जाएगा, 1 is equals to e raised to t into dt by dx. So dx will be e raised to t dt. तो ये dx की जगह पे तो ये लगा देंगे, log x हो जाएगा t और ये हो जाएगा -1 by t. So this entire thing 1 upon log x minus 1 upon log x bracket square dx, it will become integration dx च्या जागी होऊन जाईल e raised to t 1 by t minus 1 by t square dt. आता हा जर f of x आहे तर हा f dash of x आहे. So integration e raised to t 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square dt. So if f of x or f of t is 1 by t, f dash of t is minus 1 by t square. So integration e raised to t 1 by t minus 1 by t square dt is equals to e raised to t 1 by t plus c. We can substitute 1 by t. So e raised to t is x because x was e raised to t. So we will substitute e raised to t is x upon t is log x plus c. This is your answer for integration. थोडंसं हे वेगळं आहे कारण ही कन्सेप्ट वेगळी आहे. हे लॉगचा फॉर डेफिनेशन आहे की if a raised to x is equals to b, then x is log b to the base a. So if log x is equals to t, then log x to the base e is equals to t, then x is equals to e raised to t. And if you take derivative, then this is what you will get. So e raised to t, 1 by log x will become 1 by t minus 1 by t square. E raised to t minus 1 by t minus 1 by t square. If this is your function, then this is the derivative. Integration log x upon 1 plus log x bracket square dx. Now here also there is no e raised to x. अभी e raised to x नहीं है, लेकिन log x है. तो एक ही तरीका है जो 9th क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों ने लिया था. log x is equals to t बोल देंगे. तो e raised to t को x, e raised to t is equals to into dt by dx is equals to 1. E raised to t dt is equals to dx. तो ये हो जाएगा इंटीग्रेशन log x की जगह पे t upon 1 plus log x will be 1 plus t bracket square. Now dx is e raised to t dt. Integration e raised to t, it is t upon 1 plus t whole bracket square dt. So 1 plus t bracket square, we can write now here to solve this, we can again take plus 1 minus 1 because this is same जैसे हम लोगों का सम नंबर 6 था x upon x plus 1 bracket square, तो उधर भी plus 1 minus 1 किया था तो इधर भी आ जाएगा. इंटीग्रेशन e raised to t 1 plus t minus 1 upon 1 plus t whole bracket square dt. Integration e raised to t 1 plus t upon 1 plus t bracket square minus 1 upon 1 plus t whole bracket square dt. हे आणि हे कॅन्सल होऊन जाईल. इंटिग्रेशन e raised to t 1 upon 1 plus t minus 1 upon 1 plus t whole bracket square dt. Now this is, if this is f of x, then this is f dash of x. So your answer will be e raised to t 1 upon 1 plus t plus c. E raised to t is x. 1 upon 1 plus log x plus c. This is your answer. This is different types of integrals. Integrals of type of under root a square plus x square minus a square. हम लोगों ने अभी तक 1 upon के किए थे, 1 upon under root वाले, लेकिन ये सिर्फ under root वाले हैं. Under root ax square plus bx plus c, ये उसका फॉर्मूला है. ax square plus bx plus c को हम लोग इस फॉर्म में लेके आते हैं, जैसे हम लोग हमेशा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को लेके आते थे, and then will use this formula. This is a special type of integration. This can be solved by putting px plus q as aid into derivative of this composite function plus b. इसके सम्स तो नहीं है 5.5 में, लेकिन हम लोग कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सम्स करेंगे. So it is under integration under root 4x square plus 5 dx. We can convert this into x square plus a square. So here x square plus a square, we have a formula. पर एक्स स्क्वायर को कोई कोएफिशिएंट नहीं है, तो ये भी 4 नहीं होना चाहिए। तो हम लोग इसको 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को। तो ये होगा अंडर रूट 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 5 अपॉन 4 होल थिंग अपॉन 2 dx, क्योंकि बाहर 2 होगा तो ही अंडर रूट में 4 से डिवाइड। तो ये 1/2 इंटीग्रेशन अंडर रूट x स्क्वायर प्लस 5/4 dx, 1/2 इंटीग्रेशन x square plus under root 5/2 dx. This is x square plus a square. So using the formula, 1/2 under root x square plus a square. This is x/2 under root x square plus a square. So under root x square plus 5/4 plus a square by 2. A square is 5/4. So 5/4/2 log of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. So this will be x/4 under root x square plus 5/4 plus 5/8 log of x plus under root x square plus 5/4 plus c. This is your answer. We'll convert this into this format. Suppose it is under root 9x square minus 4 integration. So we'll divide by 3. यहाँ पे 2 से किया था, सॉरी ये 1/2 हो जाएगा ना, डिनोमिनेटर को भी 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे। तो ये हो जाएगा 2 2, ये भी 2 ये भी 2, तो आपका आंसर होगा x/2, सॉरी x under root x square plus 5/4. This 2 will divide here, 5/4 log of x plus under root x square plus 5/4 plus c. If I am dividing numerator by 2, so inside the under root it will become 4. Denominator is also divided by 2. Similarly here, this will become 3 integration under root 9x square minus 4 whole thing upon 3. Sorry, here under root चा बाहेर 3 है, so inside under root it will become 9. So 3 integration under root x square minus 4/9 dx. So 3 integration under root x square minus 2/3 bracket square dx. Now we'll use the formula x square minus a square. This is in the form of x square minus a square. So it will be 3 inside. The formula is 1/2 x. Is 1/2 x under root x square minus a square 2/3, that is 4/9, minus a square. A square is 4/9 divided by 2, a square by 2, log of x plus under root x square plus minus 4/9 plus c. तो ये 3 यहाँ पे होगा x/2 under root x square minus 4/9 minus this 2 will get cancelled. It will become 2/9 log of x plus under root x square minus 4 by 9 plus c. We may write it like this only, no need to multiply it inside.